Welcome to McCook Cold Storage's web portal tutorial. For this, we will be using a test customer login. You can use Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge as your web browsers. Here is where you would put in your username and password and sign in. On the home page, a detailed inventory report will pop up. You can export this to either a Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, PDF, any file you choose, and you can also print this. Here under the All Reports tab, you'll find a number of useful customer reports. The first one will be the same as the home screen, but you can here select how much detail you can see. So you can get down to the material level or the lot level in this report, or all the way down to the LP as shown on the home screen. The next report we'll go to is the inbound shipment details report. Here you would select your project name, which is you, and a start and finish date. This report will show you all of your inbound details for a given period of time. The next report we'll go to is your lot activity report. Here you will select your project name again, and you can fill in your vendor lot code. And select the start date and end date for when you wish to see the report run. This report will bring up any lot activity during your selected date range. The next report is another activity report. This one is only done by item code, and you can select from the drop-down menu. Once you have your selected item, you can then choose your date range. And this will show you all activity for the item selected. You can press the plus sign here to see any activity. The next report is another activity report as well. You would select yourself as the owner, and this one goes by the McCook lot code. This will bring up the materials that you can select, and then again you can select your date range. And here's all the activity for this report. The next report we have is outbound shipment details. Again, you would select yourself as the owner and a date range that you wish to see all outbound shipments for. And here you see all of your outbound shipments. The final report is the snapshot inventory report. This is the only backdatable report that shows inventory. You would select yourself as the owner, and you would select a date you wish to see your inventory snapshot of. The snapshot is taken every night at 11:59 p.m. So you cannot view it for today's date, but any date prior. And again, all of these can be exported to any type of file and saved to be printed. Another feature that we have is these reports can be subscribed to by clicking on this green subscribe button under the report. You would fill in your email address, give it a subject, select the owner, select how you want the inventory report to be displayed, select the file type you wish to get it sent to you in, and you should give it an end date. You can schedule this report to be emailed to you hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or just a one-time deal. And you can choose the time which you wish the report to be delivered. And then you would click on subscribe. Next, I will show you how to enter an outbound order. You would click on order entry and then outbound. The order lookup code is a system-generated internal number, which nothing needs to be done with. You would enter in a PO number and a reference number. Both fields do need to be filled out, but they can be identical. The order class stays the same. If you have multiple owners or projects, please make sure you click on the correct one. We will fill out the carrier and service type. You would put in the expected date of when you wish to pick up the order. Here you can put in the account information of where the shipment is going to. You would select your account, and then you would select the shipment address. If the account is not filled out, you can add the address as a one-time ship to. The preferred warehouse will always be McCook Cold Storage. And here you can put in any order notes that you wish. Once everything here is filled out, you would go to the next screen. Here is where you would select your inventory that you wish to be shipped. There are a couple ways of ordering. You can order by material, and we will allocate for you either first in, first out, or first expired, first out. Or you can select your own lots. You would type in the quantity that you wish to be ordered, and you would add the selected item to your cart. Once you have everything in your cart that you wish to ship, you would click on the next button. Here's where you can review what you want to order. If everything looks correct, you can proceed, but you can also edit from here if you wish to increase or decrease the case quantity. Or you can delete the line if you made a mistake and ordered something incorrectly. If everything looks correct, we're going to go to next. Please ignore this bottom total order price. This is something internal. And if everything was good, you would just click finish. You get a message saying that your order was created successfully. And then to check the order that you just put in, you would go to All Queries. You would click on Open Orders, highlight the order, and click on Order Details. And here's what we just ordered. Thank you for listening to our tutorial.